how to change Instagram notification sound on iPhone. So if you want to change your Instagram notification sound on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, you need to go with your profile. Go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Now here you need to just scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of notifications. Once you find notifications, tap on it and then turn on all of your notifications, including your messages, your calls and everything. Make sure all of these are turned on. Once you do that, you need to go back and then open up your settings. Under settings, you need to go back to your home page and here you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of notifications. Tap on it. Or you can also go with sounds and haptics. From here, you need to go with text tone. And here you need to go and select any other tone. You'll now see a complete list of tones and sounds available on your phone. So browse through them and then choose the one that you prefer. Once you set it, this sound will automatically be applied to all the apps that you use that use standard text notifications, including your Instagram as well. Keep in mind that this method works through your phone's general notification system. The tone you select will apply not only to Instagram but also to other messaging apps. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.